Guys, so I wanted to do a really quick length check. I haven't done one actually since June of 2017, and I big chopped around I think October of 2016. So it's been a year and some change now, so I think I kind of want to show you guys my length. I want to say that my hair was around 6 inches max when I did the June length check, but it's a lot longer now. Like, I don't know, it's just growing on steroids. It's ridiculous. So I want to just kind of show you guys, just keep you updated on the length and like how my hair has been going, especially since my ends are colored now, and I just want to talk about that. So let's get into actually the length of my hair. So I have a measuring thing, and let's see. So the front part, where I would actually call this, I guess, my bangs. Let's see. Let's comb this out a little bit. I'm taking a Denman brush, modified Denman brush, just to kind of brush that out and see. So I'll hold this at the base, which is around here. Let's stretch it out and see. So we're about 8.5 here, 8.5 inches in the front. The sides might be a little shorter, of course, because I had a tapered cut when I did my big chop. So we're sitting at about 8 inches on the sides, maybe if you want to really pull, but 8 inches on the sides I think is really good. Let's try this other side and see if it's similar. Gave myself a trim, so we'll see if I played myself. So we're at about, I would say, 8 inches also on this side. Let's do the middle. Now I feel like the middle and the back might be the shortest, just because when I big chopped, I really cut a lot off the top, and it wasn't really that even, so we'll see what happens. I'm actually just gonna hold it at the tip this time and then measure to the scalp. And we have, oh, almost 9 inches. Almost 9 inches at the top. Okay, that's surprising. And then let's do maybe just a piece here in the back. Okay, I would say the back is 8 inches as well. So yeah, my hair's around 8 to, oh, something in my eye. All right, so I would say, yeah, my hair's around 8 to 9 inches in length. And it's becoming, I would say, I think because I'm used to this length, like I'm used to my hair being this long, because I feel like it's always been this length before I big chopped. So I'm kind of used to this length and this amount of hair. So it becomes a lot easier, I think, for me to style it and do things with it, because now I know, like I just go back to the styles that I know I really liked back when my hair was longer, like before I big chopped. But the only thing I will say is that because my hair is just so healthy and it's not damaged anymore, like my hair used to be heat damaged like crazy. My hairstyles, the way I do like my twist outs and braid outs, they're so different now, because I'm not going to get that sleekness that I used to get when my hair was heat damaged. So it's a lot more textured. It's a lot more trial and error when I try to do braid outs and twist outs, because the same sort of techniques and the same steps that I used to take just don't really work that well anymore now that my hair is just so much more textured than it was before. I don't know, I kind of really like that texture. Like I like having a little bit of texture and a little bit of height and a little bit of just fluff, volume, that I feel like I really wasn't getting before because my hair was so damaged. But look at this fro. Oh my god, that's glorious. I'm gonna have to wear this for like the next few days, just cause this is about to be a look. I'll do something. This is, oh. And I didn't even realize my shirt is totally working with this like whole 70s vibe. It's a sign. But yeah, I want to talk about the health of my hair just very quickly, I guess. I think for the most part, My hair is pretty healthy, aside from the fact that I did do some quick highlights and very natural highlights just on the ends of my hair, and I added a little bit of weaving throughout. It was a very low volume developer. I think I did a 10 volume developer, and then I did an ammonia-free bleach. Not that it really helps, but it does kind of help to maintain the health of your hair, the healthiness of your hair. But since doing that, I haven't found my hair is overly dry. My ends have always been a little dry, and I think I just need to drink more water in general. But my ends are doing really well. When I comb or brush my hair, I don't see ends all over the sink the way I used to pre Big Chop. So I feel like my hair is healthy, it's retaining its length, it's holding on, it's staying strong and healthy, which I really appreciate. And I think it's just a combination of my routine that I've been doing and the products that I'm using. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and keep on doing these length checks so you guys can see and kind of keep up with the health of my hair. But I think in the meantime, I'm gonna share with you all of my favorite, like my top conditioners, my top shampoos. So I've already started with my top leave-ins. I'll leave that link down below so you guys can check that out. But I think the type of products that I'm using and also the routine that I sort of follow with my hair has led to my hair being just very healthy and strong. So I'm really, really happy about that. So I think that's really all I have to say. I thank you all so much for watching. As always, leave all of your questions and your comments down below. I'll make sure to answer as many as I possibly can. And I love you all, and until next time, bye.